हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम अगेन। एक बार फिर से मेरा स्वागत है घेरू में और इनका भी स्वागत है घेरू में। इनका चेहरा देख के आप लोग पहचान पा रहे होंगे, ये वो पर्सन है, वो व्यक्ति है जिन्होंने हम लोगों को ये बताया था। ये साइन हम लोगों का यहीं से आया, इन्हीं से आया, इन्हीं की कृपा से हम लोग ये साइन यूज़ कर रहे हैं आज तक। तो क्या आप बताना चाहेंगे कुछ अपने शब्दों में, कैसे हम लोगों ने ये स्टार्ट किया?
मैंने जो मजाक में कहा था आप लोगों को, ये
मजाक में इन्होंने बता दिया और उसका इतना मजाक बनाया कि मजाक अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हो पाया है गाइस। कुछ तो ठीक है, दुख बस इस बात का है हमें कि ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है घेरू में।
आप लोगों ने इतना उसको ट्रेंड बना दिया कि पूरा टीचर ट्रेनर सबको
ये करा रहे हैं हम लोग लेकिन
आप लोग को जानना हो इसका मतलब क्या होता है तो चैट जीपीटी गूगल पर सर्च कीजिएगा।
इसका मतलब जो भी होता हो, लेकिन हमारे लिए इंडक्शन का साइन है ये, समझ रहे हैं आप? हमारे लिए बस यही चलता है। और बड़े दुख के साथ ये भी सूचित करना पड़ रहा है कि इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड हो रही है यहाँ पे। ये धूप गलती से थोड़ी सी मिल गई हम लोगों को 10 मिनट के लिए, अब नहीं मिलने वाली है।
बाहर आकर धूप सेकना पड़ रहा है।
तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग्स हुई हैं, इनसे मिलना हुआ इस बार। इनका नाम है राहुल कुमार सिंह फ्रॉम बक्सर एंड नेहा, नहीं सॉरी, कोमल से तो आप लोग मिल चुके हैं, लास्ट ट्रेनिंग में साथ में थी।
और लोगों से मिलवाइए, कहीं कुत्ते नहीं नजर
कुत्ते तो नहीं दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन हाँ हमारे रोहित सर भी दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन वो भी थोड़ा बिजी हैं। उनसे भी मिलवा ही देंगे आप लोगों को, वो भी यहाँ पे हैं।
और आपका हैंकी नीचे गिर चुका
और
है।
मेरा हैंकी बहुत ही नीचे गिर चुका है।
इतना 5 किलो का हैंकी लेके घूमती।
अगर आपने पूछा है 5 किलो का हैंकी लेके क्यों घूम रहा है, क्योंकि चलते चलते हमने हैंकी खुवा दिया है। तो क्या करें बताइए, जब हैंकी खुवा दिया है तो 5 किलो का लेके घूमना पड़ रहा है। अब दुख हो गया है। चलिए फिर खाने का समय समाप्त होता है और हमारा भी, तो हम लोग चलते हैं। जय माता दी। मंदिर के बगल में जय बजरंगबली की। आज इनकी कृपा से हम लोगों को एक लड्डू प्रदान होता हुआ दिख रहा है। तो ये लड्डू खाएं और इसके खाने के बाद ट्रेनिंग रूम में मुंह मीठा करके बैठे हैं जाके। क्यों राहुल भैया?
ये पता है, ये मीठा मुंह करने के लिए नहीं है, ये ऐसे ही खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा हो जाए।
लड्डू देखिए, हमारे विक्रम भैया को भी खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा चाहिए होता है, और ये ऐसे ही इन्हें भी अब खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा चाहिए। दिखाते हैं हमारे विक्रम भैया भी कहाँ निकल रहे हैं। ये देखिए, देखेंगे भी नहीं, इतना बिजी पर्सन हो गए हैं कि क्या बताएं, ऐसे चले जा रहे हैं। FE कैंपस के हीरो जाते हुए, इनकी स्टोरी तो सभी को याद होगी, कैसे हम लोगों को बस से उतारा था। जिसको जैसे जाना है वैसे जाए, हम नहीं जानते हैं। भाई इतना बुरा उतारे था हम लोगों को, बनतरा पे छोड़ी था। कहते हैं जिसको जैसे जाना है वैसे जाए, हम नहीं जानते हैं। हमारी बस हो गई खराब। जो सब लोग अपना अपना देख लो, एकदम गुस्से में लाल थे प्रदीप भैया। Good evening everyone. Today is my first day in STM training and here is our poster teamwork. They are my team members and I am also here. Yes, it is our work. Good evening everyone. My name is Yashvi Maurya and these are my team members. We prepare one poster which is related to how to grow in FEA with professionally and personally. So here are some qualities mentioned and we are going to explain it one by one and meet my team members. He is Shashi, he is Vivek, I am Yashvi, he is Hitesh. So my quality is gratitude. Yes, my quality is gratitude. It means be thankful to everything, whatever you receive, whatever you got, or always you thank the situation. It is chance to grow. If you got that opportunity, you can grow high in your life. So be thankful for everyone, everything. Yes, next.
And my topic is resilience. The meaning of resilience is bounce back from the uneven situations. There are a lot of challenges when we start our journey as a teacher, we are doing sometimes mobilizations. The people are not interesting with our curriculum. We need to understand and make them understand and giving some instructions and giving some ideas about the FEA, how FEA is beneficial for them or their sons and daughters also. With the help of resilience, I am learning their concerns and I am trying to find the solution of the students. And right now I am performing the best performing in my branch as well. This resilience quality makes growing within the APS system, and it's very important to me. Thanks.
My name is Shashi, and I'm telling you that my topic is identity, and it means to change ourselves according to situation. Suppose our laptops are not working in our branch, so how we can tell them? So we can tell them with the help of Glassdoor. So it is adaptability. It means to change ourselves and to move forward. Thank you.
My step is empathy. Empathy, it means understanding about the other's feeling or emotion. It means inner things. Such that if we are a teacher, then we have to understand our students' feelings and understanding. If we have to understand that feelings, then we have to taught him very easily way. It is most important for each teacher to use that things in their
Very good morning everyone. आज है 31 दिसंबर. वी आर गोइंग फॉर बट हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज के लिए. लेकिन आज गहरू का मौसम दिखा दे. हम इस ठंड में इतना जुल्म हो रहा है हम लोगों के ऊपर. बड़े दुख के साथ सूचित करना पड़ रहा है. अभी दिखाते हैं आपको ज़रा हम कितना कोहरा गिर रहा है, कितनी ठंड है यहाँ पे. लेकिन यहाँ गलत जगह आ गए हैं इतनी ठंड में हम. ये देखिए आप, ये मौसम है और पता है 7:30 बज रहा है और यहाँ पे ठंड कितनी है देख लीजिए आप, साक्षी को भी. चले फिर हम लोग यहाँ से. वेलकम बैक एवरीवन. और गहरू का मौसम देखिए आप लोग. थक चुके हैं हम इतना ठंड देख के. इतना ठंड है कि दिमाग ख़राब है. ये देखिए, और वो लिखा हुआ है कि रेपुटेशन. इट मीन्स जो सक्सेस की होती है, जो सक्सेस पाने का रास्ता है वो ओनली वन है, वो है रेपुटेशन. इट मीन्स बार बार प्रयास करते रहें, आपको सक्सेस ज़रूर मिलेगा. दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. तो चलते हैं. बाय बाय. देख लीजिए ये हाल है भाई. ये है मौसम और वो हो रही है एक्सरसाइज और हम लोग चलेंगे इधर से नीचे. लेट्स गो. Training feels like really we are in a training because they are standing for entry ticket, and here is our trainer who is asking some question for entry like it is a real training. I really enjoyed it. Hi Rohit. Yes. Hello everyone.
टाइप ही हिंदी में कैसे हम लोगों ने किया उसे?
What are you discussing? Leave him.
No.
He is doing something else. So
I'm not doing something else. I'm talking to my TA. So why are you making video? Okay.
Today,
I know you are a blogger.
Today I want to record this classroom, this training room.
So it's
That I observed so many things that we need to record it also, because the only thing that I left is I didn't record training rooms, any training room.
It's
Not
a golden
today.
opportunity to you. Please
Yes.
record.
It is golden opportunity to me to record this
No-
training
no
room.
one is here.
And I also want to record each and everything from this training room. The posters, whatever written in that posters. Okay, let's go with me and record. Would you like to help me?
Yes.
Yes.
I will help you.
Bloggers, let's go. It
Okay,
is our training room number 207, and it is the arrangement that we are sitting in a semicircle every day, and it is one activity. Yesterday we played, and here is one more slip, and it is FE. It's called FEA wall. Here is television, it is board, and those are posters, FEA posters, and it is what we call
Bodium. It's called Bodium.
podium.
It's called what do I call that?
Self. No, leave it.
Leave it.
It is not.
It's look like Almira.
We need to focus here, display wall, because yesterday I read some things. So look, enthusiastic teacher and dull teacher, and here are some AI tools for training teacher like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Notebook LM, Copilot, Gemini, DeepSeek. And here are some ways to improve yourself. And here is the CRIPS communication culture, sentence and its replacement. And here some pronunciation, word pronunciation. I also learned some word. For example, it's not question, it's question. And next is presentation. And not query, it's query, yes. Conversation, and many more things. So now we have done. इस गैरू में ठंड का प्रकोप देखिए, लड़के ब्लैंकेट लेकर के आ गए हैं भाई. Welcome back everyone. I want to ask to you that is it too cold today or not?
मैं दिखा रहा हूँ क्यों?
क्यों? आप मुझे क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? हम तो उनको दिखाइए ना.
पता चल जाएगा ना कोल्ड है कि नहीं है.
It's
Inquiry about mental health department.
yes. I want to ask. Can you please share why you are looking like Jadoo? Yes.
Because it's okay, Yashvi, go.
The goal. The
Excuse me.
Please tell
Excuse
me.
me. Come. Please come. I have. Yes.
Rohit, please come. सुनेगा. Yes, everyone. I just want to share that today is New Year's evening, but we are here for cracking jokes because we are pagal
Come in my dormitory. I have
and we have lots of pagal guests.
whatever call that. I have Pitara stories. That type of
He has guitar.
I have Pitara that type of story.
Yes, we are. Yes. Divya. Rupesh.
मेरी मम्मी बोलती है तू बहुत बढ़िया क्रैक जोक करता है, बट मेरे सामने मत किया.
Everyone, today's weather, it is so foggy. Yeah.
Okay. Question is there. What about the left student? Can they? Yes. Can they join again for BCC or not? Or is it enough? Oh, it means
Welcome back, everyone. Today I am in training room. It's too cold here. Meet our training room partners, members. Yes.
It is
Say
Kaustav.
some.
I am from Samastipur, Bihar.
Do you want to say something else?
I enjoy with all of you
Oh.
and totally from your side I learned many things.
Arey, it's too formal. It's too formal. Leave him.
Not a big things, they are very good.
Yes.
You are really too good person. When I see you, I didn't think about it, but after 3 or 2 days, I heard and I understand you will be a good person.
Thank you so much. Yes, what about you? Excuse me, do it fast.
I'm also enjoying with you all, and I want to share with you all. She is your very good teacher, and I hope you are enjoying with him or her. Okay, thank you.
The purpose of this is not to
send
what we call what we call to praise me. Here you need to share something.
I'm doing good,
You are looking good also.
and you are also.
Okay, let's move to other person. Yes, add something.
Yes.
He is Junaid and
Hello, hi. I'm
yes.
I want to share something.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आइए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी
I am very happy to meet.
बिना किसी सबटाइटल के.
Yes.
Okay, everybody, please Johar. And I am from Jharkhand, Jharkhand State. And as I am working still from 4 months. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Yes. Say something. Yes, say something. Oh,
Spread your hair.
oh. Yes. Say something.
Hello everyone.
That's it. Add some more points.
Like
Yes.
Very strict.
Oh.
hello everyone. So my name is Nasheen.
Secret of your beauty, please share.
Oh, what is the secret of?
The secret of my beauty is nothing is secret of. It's natural actually.
It's natural beauty.
It's natural.
It's natural beauty. You can see everyone. Natural beauty. Yes, Sakshi. Do you want to say something?
No.
Please say. Oh, she is not. Yes. Yes, Shraddha. Yes, Shraddha Kapoor. Yes, please. I'm not Shraddha Kapoor.
No, I want to share.
Yes, yes.
Myself Sakshi. She is Shraddha.
Oh. Meet our Rohit. Yes, because we know each other. We know each other.
इनको ऐसे बोले मैं सर मारे. Meet my Rohit.
Everyone, I want to see.
Like my team.
Yes, this is the picture.
This is a picture. You need to understand the picture, all the scenario, and tell them the story. This is a real game. You need to understand.
What is the game here?
The game is very simple. You need to understand.
Can you please explain who is it?
This is the real challenge. You need to understand what is this.
What about?
You also need to understand what is this. And
This
then
is creative idea for this is the creative idea for our team, and we create Peter. Means I'm not going to describe because she is making video. But
Yes. Can you please switch? Can you turn your page?
It is created by
You, only you. Oh my God, he is the owner.
artist.
He is the artist. Sorry. Yes. What is the art?
it is Aladdin ka chirag.